what we've tried to do is very much a Lego approach. So it's all modular, it all fits together. It works with Rycote stuff, it works with our stuff.
Hi, it's Paul from OnAir, and it's another Tech Take at METExpo 2025. We're here with Simon Davies, the Managing Director of Radius, talking about windshields. So Simon, what's the Radius story?
We started in 2023, so been going about 2 years now. My history is I'm an engineer, and I used to be the owner and engineer at Rycote, so I did that for about 25 years. So 2 years ago, as a family, we just decided we didn't have too many other skills, so we decided, I'd go back into the shed and start designing products, and shock mounts and windshields is the only thing I've ever known, so that's what I did.
What are your most popular products?
Shock mounts is the first thing that we started, because without a microphone shock mount, to boom or to handhold microphones or put them on cameras, you get all the handling noise that you'll get, picked up from the motors or, finger noises on boom poles. So we started with the shock mounts, and then following on more recently, since March this year, we started doing basket windshields, which are, a way of sort of like totally encapsulating the microphone, preventing wind noise from ruining it, and then you can obviously put a fur cover on it for something that people will recognise as, full wind protection. So that's us. So, yeah.
And are we still allowed to call it a dead cat now?
We've tried to avoid using the word dead cat, but yeah, it's what most people call it. Tribbles, dead cats, wombats, or jammers, that's what they're, yeah. One of the key areas of what we do is shock mounts, and it's a very, it has to be simple in terms of the intuitive, how it works and how it's used, but we're only making products for professionals in terms of sound professionals. So these different mounts for any microphones from 40 millimeters up to, like half a meter long. So that's kind of where we've started, and then we're obviously gone into the baskets, but lots of variations, lots of different things for different microphone diameters, lengths, weights, things like that. So that is our lane. That's all we do, really. So.
And which are the main brands of microphones that you work with?
DPAs are obviously very popular at the moment. Sennheiser, Sherps, Shure, Audio-Technica. We're quite generic to all of them. So in the box, you get lots of different types of hoops and different hardnesses. So rather than us tell people how they should set it up per microphone, we allow them to actually set it up depending on how they're going to use it, whether they're run and gun or whether they're sort of like more, for the sports OB world. We allow them to be the people who set it up. So that's our sort of like philosophy in terms of how we design products.
So very modular and flexible.
Exactly, flexible. Lego, we like to use it like that, so yeah.
And that's our Tech Take at METExpo. For more information, come see us at onair.au.